There's been a decrease in the number of COVID cases here in the state of Alabama, but there's also been a shift in who is getting infected. Our Nixon Norman tells us more about current COVID trends.
Data is what guides us in our response in this pandemic, but every piece of data represents a person.
Although the data shows cases beginning to level out, it's not time to celebrate quite yet.
Even though we are enjoying this plateau and hospitals now have 4 extra ICU beds, there is no reason for us to abandon the data.
Even though the total number of cases may be decreasing, there has been a shift in who is getting infected.
The virus has particularly found a population in terms of the pediatric cases.
Kids ages 0 through 17 are getting sick. Some are critically ill and require intensive care.
40 to 50 kids at any given time in the hospital if you're looking at an average, and somewhere around 6 to 8 kids on ventilators.
But there has been recent mention that the Pfizer vaccine is actually safe for those aged 5 to 12.
Pfizer plans to present their information to the FDA, and then of course that information will be reviewed by VRBOC, which is the independent committee that looks at scientific data prior to making a recommendation to FDA.
Should the FDA approve and the CDC recommend this would cater to a whole group of unvaccinated people, the children, and the world should have answers soon.
Probably around the end of the month, 1st of October, the company will present their information to the FDA. The FDA, of course, independent committee will weigh that and then make recommendations to the FDA.
For more information about the COVID-19 vaccine, visit RocketCityNow.com. Nixon Norman, Fox 54 News.
There's been a lot of talk about a COVID-19 booster shot. The FDA and CDC are reviewing data related to these third shots right now. A member of the White House COVID task force says we should have answers about whether boosters are recommended or not very soon.
We have, though, to wait for the final determination from the FDA and the final recommendation from the CDC, which should be coming up here in the next couple of days, so that we can communicate with the American public with clear message as to who's eligible to get a booster and when.
For more information about these COVID booster shots, visit our website, RocketCityNow.com.